Next, we are going to see dots and function. In the first example, formal parameter is given as an expression a plus 1. It is illegal. You are not supposed to use an expression as formal parameter. In the second example, 5 and b it is given. Both are literals. That means they are constants. You will not be able to change their values. Whenever you are using formal parameters, there must be variable itself. You are not supposed to use values there. And in the second function definition, a and b are also used. Both are quite unknown for that function. So that will also lead into error. Now we are going to see examples for one-to-one mapping. In the first function definition, you are having a single formal parameter x. That particular function definition is being called in the third line, area is equal to area of square within bracket 2. So this particular value 2 is known as actual argument. It is going to get copied to x. And in that particular function, 2 into 2 will be done. It will be getting returned back to the statement where that function is being called, and area will get new value 4. In the next statement, we have written print statement, so that the output of this particular program is 4. Whereas in the second program, we are having two arguments. So from the calling statement, we have to give two values. We have given 3 and 4. So multiplication of 3 and 4 will be done in the function definition. It will return a value 12, which will be get assigned to the variable area. It is trying to print using print statement. So our output will become 12. Now we are going to see third example of one-to-one mapping. In the calc function, we are having two formal parameters x and y, and return statement is going to return two values, and that two values are going to return after doing an expression x into 1 and x minus 1. The calc function is going to return these values to a variable called var. In that one, it will be get stored as a tuple. That means 3, 1. If you are trying to print that one, it will be get printed as a tuple. Now, a function named charPrint is written without arguments. In that one, a print statement is written as go ahead. If you are calling that particular function, you can see the output go ahead. It means that you can write functions even without arguments.